Have you ever wondered how millions of people are using ChatGPT to save hours of work, create amazing content, write code, edit photos, and even earn money online? In this complete beginner's guide, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT effectively in 2026. You'll learn what ChatGPT is, how to write powerful prompts, how to edit photos with AI, and the best AI tools you should start using today. Whether you're a student, programmer, content creator, freelancer, or business owner, this video will help you unlock the full power of AI. So let's get started. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence assistant created by OpenAI. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, ChatGPT understands your questions and generates detailed answers in seconds. It can write emails, explain difficult concepts, solve programming problems, summarize documents, translate languages, create business ideas, generate images, and much more. Getting started is simple. Visit the official ChatGPT website or download the official mobile app. Create a free account using your email address or Google account. After signing in, you'll see a clean interface with a text box where you can start chatting with AI immediately. The biggest mistake beginners make is asking very short questions. Instead of writing, write code. Try this. Act as a senior Python developer. Explain each step while writing a beginner-friendly Python program to create a calculator. The more details you provide, the better ChatGPT performs. Students can use ChatGPT to understand difficult subjects, summarize notes, and prepare for exams. Programmers can generate code, debug errors, and learn new programming languages. Content creators can write YouTube scripts, titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and SEO. Business owners can write marketing emails, advertisements, and customer support responses. ChatGPT is powerful, but combining it with other AI tools makes your workflow even better. Use AI image generators for graphics. Use AI video editors for automatic editing. Use AI presentation tools for slides. Use AI coding assistants for software development. One of the most exciting features is AI-powered image generation and photo editing. You can remove backgrounds, replace objects, improve image quality, generate realistic artwork, and create YouTube thumbnails using simple text prompts. The better your prompt, the better your image. Always describe lighting, colors, camera angle, style, and quality. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing people. People who know how to use AI effectively are replacing people who don't. The best time to start learning ChatGPT is today. Practice every day, experiment with prompts, and keep improving your skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I upload high-quality AI and technology tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.